Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reveal the fruit's value and grow a garden using magnifying glass. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to buy magnifying glass from the gear shop. And here I have already bought the magnifying glass, this one. Okay, and this is how the magnifying glass looks like. And then you just need to find a fruit that you want to inspect. And for example, I'm going to inspect my elephant ears. So we just need to click on the fruit and the value will be revealed like this. Wait, it needs time. Okay, and this is the value of my elephant ears. Okay, and you can also inspect the fruits from the other garden. For example, if you want to inspect the other player's garden, you just need to go to their garden and then you just need to tap on their fruit. Okay, just tap on their fruit like this. Okay guys, and that's all the way to inspect fruit or reveal the value of the fruits without collecting them. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.